Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Look, I just finished washing dishes. That is going to be a joke for me. I have been journaling today. A joke for me because it seemed like every time I film a video, I'll be in just wash dishes. That's what I'm talking about. You all, if y'all didn't catch that, because I've mentioned it several times. But today, I finished my swatches of those inks that I got from Vanness. I did not swatch the ones that I already had a sample of because I did order several samples that I already had. So I'm going to get on here with you all now, show you all the swatches that I do have. Let me see, maybe I should go out this way. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's maybe better. I want to make sure that I can get the swatch in. So I'm going to show you all the swatches that I do have. I did not duplicate the samples that I purchased that I already had a sample of because they're already in my Rolodex. So I did not swatch those in here. And I'm not going to mention them either because at some point I am going to do a video on the entire Rolodex, and then I can you all will catch everything at that point on. So this first one is, and I don't know if y'all can see all of the silver or powder blue, looks like silver though, maybe, shimmer in this, as well as it has some red sheen. It looks like, to me up there, that looks purple. And this is Ferris Wheel Press Tumbling Time Blue. And so you all will see me go through this, and you all will see me switch things up, because I switch things up every time I'm in here. And I know that this doesn't necessarily go with this one, but I'm going to put it right here next to this shimmer one here. And maybe I will separate them out to all my shimmers be in one spot, because here's one as well. Diamond Red Edition. It's called Storm. So, yeah. So I'm just going to place that there. I'm not going to look for a specific tone of blue for it like I usually do. Okay. This next one is Ferris Wheel Press Green with Curiosity, and it has red sheen and blue shimmer. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's the red sheen and blue shimmer. Y'all should be able to see it if what I see on the camera is what you all see. And this is Ferris Wheel Press Green with Curiosity. And this is a true green to me. It's just a deep green. It's not a teal. But I do have, I think, one teal in this that I swatched. So here's the greens. And let's see if I find something that's as deep a green as this. No, this one is a tiny bit deeper, I think, but it's very close to this one without the sheen and the shimmer. So I'm going to move that one here. Uh-oh, excuse me, y'all. Let me lift this up a little bit because I just hit it. I'm going to try not to hit it or shake too much. This one here is Private Reserve Copper Burst. And this is a orangey brown, a brownish orange is what I'll say, rust colored like. And I have several of these types of colors. So I'm just gonna go here. This is Copper Noir. It's more orange on this one. And then back here is where we start falling into those brownie oranges. Oh, actually, I guess they're supposed to be brown, but to me, they're more orange. So, yeah, let's see. Where can we get where was this one fall in at? I thought, yeah. Okay. See if I see any others. Because I have another set of, see, like this one. No, that one do have more red. Nope. These are my browns. Okay. So we are going to go there. This kind of chili peppery like orange is what these are here. So I am going to put this one. I think I am going to put it. Now see, in the camera, that looks close. But looking here, this one is definitely more brown. This one has more red in it. So, I'll put it here. Okay, yeah, I'll put it there. This next one is Robert Oster Melon Tea. Oster. I don't know how to pronounce his last name, y'all. Melon Tea. And this is a brown, and it has a hint of green in it to me. So, I think that's what I perceive this color to be. Let's see if we have something very similar. And then I can look at like the Burma Road brown and Rome Burning. I can look at those and see if I feel like they are a better match for this ink to go in that area. Okay. None of those. Now see this one, yes, very close. It has a shimmer. It has green in it too, Shangri-La. Okay, I'm gonna think about that one. And then I am gonna go to my Burma Road, which is, I don't know where. I think it's with the grays and stuff though. Okay, here's greens. Okay, let's see. That's a pretty color, y'all. This one with the gold in it. Okay, let's see if I can find it. Now see, I wasn't expecting for this to take this long. Maybe I should have just tabbed them out. Oh, graphite, alpine. So no, green, black, L. Lawrence. Yeah, so this one does go with the browns for sure. So I'm gonna put it here when I look at those undertones. Then this one is P.W. Ackerman Bacot Hags. Bacot. I don't know how you say that. Hags. And I do think that this is a more of a true brown. I'm trying to, let me see if I do it this way. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Maybe here? Yeah. Yeah. I think so. Yep. So this is close to KWZ brown number 3. This is. Okay. Next one is Diamond Green Edition Pick Me Up. And it's not a shimmer, but it does have some green shading in it. I still consider this a green, a brown though. It's, you know, it's a clear brown. the shading doesn't throw it off to where you think it's another color. Is what I mean by that. And I be hating when I don't have a tone to put it where it needs to be. But then it's actually good that I don't have a tone to put it where it needs to be. See, I think this probably maybe flaws here. If you look at this brown here. Because that means I don't have a color like it. But be stressing me out when I can't find a spot for it. Now this is Winter Spice. That's actually very pretty too. Maybe I'll put it there. I'm going to go ahead and put it here, I think. Let's see if I got anything else up here. I'm just browsing through real quick. Yeah. Then this is Noodler's Harbor Tea. And when I bought it, I just saw Harbor Tea. But when I got it in, I saw that it said safety pin on it. And I was like, what is that? So I went back on the site after I swatched it and looked it up. And I don't know if y'all can see that, but it has a lot of gloss to this particular ink. It's a dip pen only ink. So I had to write it on there. And then on the actual tube, I put a piece of tape on it that said dip pen only. So that I don't accidentally ink one of my pens up with this ink. So yeah. And honestly, I wouldn't have got it if I would have saw it was a dip pen only. Because I would have been afraid that I was going to make that mistake of putting it in the wrong pen. So, yeah. Let's see. See, like these are kind of red. But, so I wasn't for sure if they should go. And put it here. Yep. Okay. This next one is Private Reserve Daphne Blue. Now, this is a turquoise to me. There is a clear, at least in my opinion, distinction between turquoise and teal. When it becomes a problem for me is when they add too much or too little of something to either the turquoise or the teal. So if you add too much of blue or you add too much of green to the colors, turquoise and teal, is when you kind of muddy the waters and you be like, is this a turquoise? Is this a teal? But to me, they are definitely two separate colors. And usually if turquoise leans too deep to me, it's going in a teal pile because it's no longer turquoise. And I do have a turquoise here. Okay, so this is a turquoise as well to me. This inspired blue. And this one is a turquoise. And this one looks like more more blue in it than this one. But they are still very much so turquoises to me. So I'm going to put it here in front of this one. Let me see what the other one was. Yeah, in front of this one. Okay. This right here, yeah, it's teeter-tottling, but it's a blue though. Same with this one, turquoise of the Mesas. This is no, this probably is a turquoise, but it's a deep turquoise. So you know what? And I'm going to keep that with blue. But this Arctic blue is a turquoise to me as well. So let's move both of these. And we're going to put those there that are going to be blues. And then we're going to put these with the turquoises. Or what I consider to be turquoises anyway. And if you look at this one, when you look at it against the other ones, you can see how deep it is. The one with the shimmer back there. So see, we're almost getting into the teal category to me. But these are turquoises to me. And yeah, Konpeki, at least on this swatch, it on the things that I see on YouTube and stuff, it looks like it's a turquoise, but here it looks like a blue to me. Okay, next one is Private Reserve Infinity Blue, and I actually do like this color a lot. I am anticipating on whether or not I want to buy a bottle of it, but I have enough blues though, y'all, so I really don't need to, but I do like it. I think I'm gonna put it right here. My blues, I go back and forth with them too, as far as what goes where. Like this here, that's purple blue, you know. Yeah. And then this is Private Reserve 2 Minutes to Midnight. Such a beautiful color blue. I like the deep blues. This is a deep blue. It does have some red shading, and I'm saying shading because it definitely does not shimmer. I mean sheen, but you do see the red in there. See, this is a teal to me. So let's see. Let me see if I want to. This is a teal. I'm looking at to see what's the best spot for them. I should probably do the blues over there. It's kind of big, and it looks like I got a couple of sections that's like the same color, and then it breaks off to another color before it goes to back to that color. And see, these are kind of like grayish colors, but this one is a blue, so I'm going to move this one up and this one up. What is that? Stroke of Midnight and Pepper Berry. See, these are like, okay, let me hold those for right now. Okay, this Oxford blue is very pretty as well. See, completely different color blue, different color blue. Then this is Regency blue, but to me, that's purple in my opinion. But okay, so those are, let's see. And then this one right here, Nucleus Color Royale, that's a blue to me as well. Maybe I should put these, since they're so saturated, and this one together. But this one, yep. Maybe I should put these together. I don't know. What y'all think? These are supposed to all be blues, but 3 of them lean purple to me. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna leave those there for right now and decide. This next one is a Kobe 38 Katanosaka Night Blue, and I do think that I had enough of those to categorize it. I could put it here with this one, and I think I am. Then this one is Pannonia 17 Lila Orniac Purple Shadow, and this is more of a blue to me. But let's go to the, see, look. Yeah, I'm gonna put it here. I'm not gonna put it with the purples. I know it says purple shadow, but I think it goes better with these. Okay. And then this one is the Diatramentis Black Blue, which is a kind of grayish color. 54th of Massachusetts. Massachusetts. Okay, so now I'm looking at this together. This is it's called Black Blue, and I think it's a black or gray, dark gray. Yeah, I'm gonna put this one with the blacks. So let me find the blacks. So you chopping. Nope. Is this the one with the let's see. Yeah, 54th Massachusetts. See, these are those colors. Okay, let's find the blacks. Here we go. More of a cool tone. I don't think I have any blacks that are this tone. So I'm gonna put it in the back there with the other one that's kind of, yep. Thunderstorm, Silent Night. Okay. Yep. See, y'all, this is a constant battle with me trying to get these colors placed, and I don't have too many more. So hopefully these will go more quickly because I wasn't anticipating this to be this long. Okay, this one is called Troublemaker Kelp Tea, and I think it's a green. Even though it have a lot of beige in it, I think it's a green. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, this is Pen BBS number 502 Sakura Flower, and I have lots of those colors. So let's put it back here with one of them. Look at that, the diamond. This one has more green. Money Verde. This one has more yellow. Yep, so right here. And then the same thing with this one, Nootler's Sequoia. I think it goes here. Maybe. Yeah. Yep. Oh, there's the Burma Road Brown. So, I do think Nootler Sequoia goes back here with more of a green. And maybe I should put these two ahead of these that have that greenish brown, more brown to it. But I'm not right now anyway. My next one is Private Reserve Ebony Blue. Now, I was surprised about this color because I was expecting a really dark blue, but it is a teal. And I don't know if y'all can see that. And I have quite a few different color teals. Blue teals, green teals, but lots of teals. So, this is a teal to me. Just barely, but it is. This is a teal to me. This is a teal. So, yeah. This one. This is a blue teal. Blue teal. That's a blue teal. Here we go. This is Squatic. I don't know how you pronounce that. But these are close to coloring me, which kind of confuses me because I don't, the names are, oh no, this is the Ebony Blue. I was talking about the Sequoia. Similar. So these two, I'm going to say, are close to each other. Private Reserve Arabian Rose. And I think this one, I think we have a couple of colors that are close to that. Let me find it because I have two little sections, I think, that struggle with in this section as well, as far as how I should order them. This is such a pretty color, y'all. I love that color. So let's see if I can find it. Okay. And that's Private Reserve Arabian Rose. This one right here, y'all. I think I have like 2 colors that are similar to it. This is a berry, I guess a berry color, yeah. Is it Nootler's Burgundy? So that was one of the ones that I was thinking about, but it seemed like it was another one. See, this is Nootler's Burgundy too, but you can see there is a color difference between them. I have 2 swatches. Okay, I'm gonna put this one in front of here. Let me see something. It seems like there's another color that I have that's very similar to it as well. Maybe not. Oh, I was thinking about this one. Okay, let's see. Yeah, they are different, but this is the one that I was thinking about. Okay. So, all right. Yeah, they different. Okay. Okay. Well, hold on. I might need that. Okay. Here we go. Right where the section. This is Private Reserve Black Cherry. I think it should go right here. Yeah. I think right here. Monteverde Gemstone Colors Amethyst. It's a gemstone collection. Purples are hard too because there's so many different varying shades of purple. And then do you want to break them down from purples to violets? See, this is more blue now that I put it up against this one. Oh, no, still more blue. See, when I look in the thing, now when I look here, they look similar. But when I look in the camera, they're completely different shades. See, these look similar. Okay. See these purples, how deep they are? So pretty. No. See, this looks similar to me. And the one back there did. And I definitely thought it was going to be this one, and it's not, though, when I look at it. Nope. Okay, then we go. Okay, so let's see. Where am I going to put you then? I'm going by the camera is what's going to help me determine my placement versus my eye. Because the camera must be picking up something that I am, because it's completely different. This one? I think it's this one. Even though this is darker. Yeah, I think it's this one. Yep. Okay. Next one is Aurora and Klinger Helianthus Sunflower. This is the one that I asked y'all, is this the Helianthus? And everybody just calls it Helianthus instead of saying the sunflower part? Or is it 2 different colors? One Helianthus and one that is Helianthus Sunflower. Let me know. So this one should be pretty easy to place. Yellow. right here. Now, I can see right away that this one needs to move, but I'm going to leave it there for now. Okay, yep. Okay, Ferris Wheel Press Golden Gate Glow. This is pretty color, and I think it is going to go right behind the oh, it's not there. Huh. Here, I thought Rusty Anchor was here, so where do I have Rusty Anchor with the pinks? I must do. No, I have it. I don't know. What is this with? With the red oranges. Coral. With the coral. Yeah. Okay. I get that. Okay. Next one is Pen BBS 381 Frosted Leaf in Autumn. And I'm going to put this with the oranges somewhere. I'm going to put it here. Yep. Let's see. Okay. And then this one is Three Oysters Chili Red. Let's go to the, I think the reds are up here. Actually, yeah, they are. They are. I don't have a lot of reds, so I think, yeah, okay. So this is, those are very similar. This is very similar, so I think it doesn't matter. Those three. And then this one is Orange Crush Private Reserve. Back to the oranges. And I know I could have the orange and the red sitting next to each other, but I don't want them sitting next to each other because they're going to confuse me. So, yeah, that's why I don't have them. I'm going to put this one here. Then I have Private Reserve Shell Pink. And my pinks are kind of all over the place as far as shades. So I just put them from lightest to darkest, or try to anyway. I don't have, okay, it's right here. Shell Pink, Private Reserve Rose Rage, and Carnation Flowers. Emotions, yes, it goes here. This one, Private Reserve Plum. I have a lot of these colors, or family color. Oh, no, I haven't, no, it's not. Okay, yeah, okay, we starting here. This is Party Time. That's very close. This one is, but you can't hardly see it for all the green sheen. This one is darker. Vanness. Hissy Fit. Oh yeah, this is the color that I was thinking about when I said I had a whole lot of this color. So I think I'm going to put it here, which is the beginning. And then my next one is this Royer and Klinger Solferino. So let's see. Now see, I thought this color was close to these, but it doesn't appear to be. So I'm going to go to the purples and see if I have anything there that will match with it better. And if I don't, I'm going to come back. And I actually am going to put it at the very end of these colors here. So let's go to the purple. Yeah, no, I don't. I'm looking at it now. I do not. Okay, so I'm going to put that one here. Okay, so that is it. I'm going to find a spot for these. And then I'm going to put these somewhere different than where I currently have them. And that'll be it. All right, y'all. I will talk to y'all later. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I said in my previous video when I showed you all the inks that I had gotten, I was going to actually do a flip of this color wheel. I do know that that's going to take some time, so I haven't mustered up the energy to actually do that, and I don't want to do it in 2 parts. I actually want to do the whole thing, and that's over 200 swatches here. So I want to make sure. It might be over 300. I can't remember. I did count it one time. But I want to go through this for you all so that y'all can see it. I love it. I love flipping through it. So hopefully you all will like it too. All right. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.